Hello guys, in this video we will see Nintendo Switch how to fix black screen. Screen won't turn on step-by-step fix, will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step power cycle your Nintendo Switch content completely. Power off your Nintendo Switch by holding down the power button for at least 10 seconds. Do not simply put it in sleep mode once the system is completely off. Wait for about 8 seconds before attempting to power it back on. This process can often resolve minor software glitches that may be causing the black screen issue. If the issue persists after attempting this, proceed to the next step.
Check the power supply and charger content. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch's power cable is securely connected to both the console and the power adapter. Inspect the power cable for any visible damage such as fraying, bending, or kinks. Try using a different power outlet to eliminate the possibility of a power supply issue. If possible, test with a different known good power adapter to rule out problems with the original adapter.
Step inspect the screen for physical damage. Content carefully examine the Nintendo Switch screen for a physical damage, such as cracks, scratches, or dents. Even minor physical damage can interfere with the screen's functionality and cause a black screen. If any physical damage is apparent, the console will likely require professional repair. If the screen appears undamaged, proceed to the next step. Attempt a system restart in safe mode content. If the console powers on, but only displays a black screen, you may be able to access safe mode while holding down the power button repeatedly. Press the volume up button. This may initiate a safe mode option, allowing you to perform troubleshooting tasks such as software updates or deleting corrupted data that could be preventing the system from booting normally. Consult your Nintendo Switch manual for detailed instructions on accessing and navigating safe mode. Contact Nintendo support content. If none of the previous steps have resolved the black screen issue, it is highly likely that there is a hardware problem requiring professional attention. Contact Nintendo support directly for assistance. They may be able to offer further troubleshooting steps or advise on repair options, including warranty coverage or repair service centers. Provide them with as much detail as possible regarding the issue and any troubleshooting steps you have already attempted.